If you would like to be able to achieve that kind of sharpness, like this, stay tuned and have a look. Explanation is coming on. Hi, welcome back. How to sharpen block plane or even chisel on oilstone. I have got a Norton oilstone with two sides, blue and red. Blue is coarser, red is finer. So you're going to start on the blue side. Take a block plane apart. As you can see, there is an angle to the plane. You never sharpen angle on the other side, on the flat side. That one has to be kept true flat, and we're going to try to keep this angle as it is on there. So we got our oil stone, we put a little bit of oil, and holding firmly the blade, we need to match the angle and then keep that angle constant during our sharpening. Even pressure, not too strong, not too hard, not too fast, and try to use entire surface of the stone. Make sure that you lock your hand on that angle position, because you don't want to change angle whilst you sharpening the blade. Now, once that section is done, if you run your finger or thumb on the flat end away from the blade, you will feel a little ridge there. What happened there basically is the metal has folded upwards. And if that is all even, then it's time to flip our stone to other side, to fine side. More oil. Now I'm going to put this blade on a flat end down on the stone, flat like that, and I'm going to hold it with other fingers, my left hand, flat down on the stone. Don't raise it up, it has to stay flat, and gently move it back and forth a few times. When you run your finger over that edge, away from the edge, never go back, always away, otherwise you'll cut yourself. You should not feel that ridge. And then back again to angle side, lock to the same angle as before, few passes, and then you'll feel ridge, but a small ridge, little burr. And then you put it flat again, hold it tight with left hand side fingers, and just do a few passes, and that will clean that bit. Then again, angle, and again, flat, clean, and get back onto the angle, and repeat this few times. And you will get nice, neat edge. Right, don't be afraid of oil, because oil protects the metal from rusting. And you can see now I'm just doing a couple passes on each side, trying to keep that edge clean. I think that's done. Just grab some tissue. And that is one sharpened edge for planer. You can gently try to feel how sharp it is. You can even try to shave, and you can see that that is razor sharp. I'm just gonna finish a bit more. This is one of the ways of finishing the honing part of this edge, and again that is razor sharp. Okay, keep your fingers safe, don't cut yourself. On the same way you can sharpen the kitchen knife, you can sharpen the chisels, big jack planes, block planes, all of it. All you need is oilstone, bit of oil, and 5 minutes of patience. There you go. If you enjoyed it, thumbs up, and all the best. And you can't do that if it's not sharp. So we're going from just sawn rough edge to nice and smooth edge of the wood.